The air filter is one of the components under your hood that you can check yourself or get the dealership to do it. Now, if you go too long without changing your air filter and it starts to look like this, boy, there's some things that can happen. So tell me, Brad, what can I expect if I forget or don't change the air filter?
Yeah, so basically, if you don't change your air filter, the internal ducts of the engine is going to deteriorate. So basically, your car isn't breathing properly or efficiently as it should be.
Yeah.
So eventually, what can happen, you could have excessive fuel consumption,
Yep.
higher emissions, and also possibly eventual engine failure.
Right, so make sure you get that filter checked. Just crack open the filter hood on your vehicle and take a look, and if it's dirty, get it changed. Now that we know we need to check the air filter, how often should we change it?
We do recommend 20,000 kilometers, or at least once a year, but depending on your driving style and driving conditions, especially on urban cities or dirt roads, we do recommend to at least check it more often.
Okay, so those dusty road conditions are going to just clog up that air filter that much faster.
Yeah.
Right. So whether it's to check your air filter, replace it, or any of your other recommended service requirements, folks, be sure and come and see us at Sherwood Ford, and we'll happily take care of you. Thank you.